Alright guys, it's running pretty good. And we are actually cranking out a record amount of power. So, it is cranking out about 1.3 watts of power right now. So this is the current here. It's running this little light, which has this little transformer here. But it's a fluorescent bulb. So, yep, that's what it's running. So, we've got about 0.316. And then times 4.29. There we go. That is our wattage. 1.35 watts. Whoops. Just moved my natural gas here. So that's my natural gas. It's glowing real nice in there. So it may not really be fair because I've got it pretty hot. So this Displacer is holding up really good. So, and the new insulation on there's helping a lot, I think. It's keeping the lines a lot cooler too. So here's our line that's coming out. It's warm. It's not real hot. This one's a little bit cooler. And then I've got a little radiator here, which is cooling it off. Just passive cooling. It's not actually much air is flowing over it, but the water pump is working okay. I think that this engine just doesn't have enough pressure to run the water pump. So, I mean, it's trickling out, but I have to have this all lifted up in order to actually get it to do that much. If I have the can and everything down on the ground, it just doesn't pump. I mean, you get a couple drops, but that's not it. It's not enough to keep it cool. Right now, it's keeping it cool pretty good, though, so that's good. So I may actually adapt a little pump to run right here, off of here, a little diaphragm pump or something, or piston pump. But here's my generator, and that is putting out our power, and it's still running at that much. So it's running pretty good. I'm really happy with this engine. So yeah, but I built this engine so that it can be taken apart easily. So I'll probably take it apart a couple more times and try different Displacer designs. So if you guys have any suggestions of what kind of Displacer or materials I could use, please post a comment and I'll possibly get around to trying those ideas possibly. If I have the materials and everything. But yeah. So it's pumping still a little bit there. So it's running real nice though. It's nice and quiet. It doesn't have too much vibration, although it is anchored pretty well. So it's not. I mean, it's anchored to the cement floor, that 2x4, and also the wall. So it's pretty solid. So probably if I took it off, they would probably be jumping all over the place. But the design I have, you can't really have. It doesn't really have a stand. It has to be anchored to something. I'm going to connect the generator here for a minute so you guys can see how fast it goes. A bit faster. Now I actually haven't tried different places for the diaphragm yet on this run. I have on other runs and that's the best spot, but I'm not sure about this run. Could be a little different. Given the different Displacer, I should try that and see if I can get more power at a different position on here. So yeah, it's running really nice. So we've got a record of 1.35 watts. We could round it up to 1.4, I suppose, but that's sort of cheating. But anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I just changed loads from this light to this exit sign, and because this exit sign requires a slightly higher voltage, I think the engine likes that better. And it's actually putting out 0.5 watts now. Let me calculate this here. So we've got 260 milliamps times 5.8 volts, and we've got 1.5 watts now, 1.5 watts. That's not bad. So I've tried moving the diaphragm, place the hole there, and it didn't actually seem to really make much of a difference. It seemed to just decrease the performance, so that's actually the best spot right there, I guess. But it's running pretty good, so I'm very happy with it. You can see it's glowing a little bit there. You can see it glowing through the insulation. But still pumping. Not a lot, but... So, yeah. Might have dropped off a little bit there. Probably the water's heating up. Nope, it's still there. So, yeah. Pretty exciting. So yeah, that's about it. Now you guys can see it. It's actually producing some power, unlike the other videos where it was just running. So it's lighting up an exit sign. I should set up a charger for a cell phone or something like that and see how it does on charging a cell phone. I think you could charge a cell phone with 1 watt. Yeah, you could do that. Usually they're about like 4 watts or something like that. So 1 watt would probably do it, just be a little slow, but... So yeah, it's running. That's about it. Thanks for watching.